Well, I figured in between this upgrade unit, got a little repair to do on an oven door. So what I did was take the door off the stove, brought it here in the shop, and I'm going to replace the outer shell on the door. The front of it got damaged in shipment. Got the new panel in today, so I figured I would go through the steps and show you how to change out that outer skin, the metal panel on this oven door. Here's the door panel. The outer panel is the stainless steel that up around the handle area, it got pretty dinged up and damaged. So I'm going to take this panel off. What was holding it together was a couple of screws that had the handle set here in place. So we got a new handle. That's what this is. And we'll go ahead and take this piece off. Just like that. I'm going to inspect the little tabs that the screws go into, make sure they're not bent back for any reason. They all look like they're in decent shape. That's our new front door panel. That blue film on it, that'll come off when we install it in place. That's not the actual finish on it, so. Go ahead and put the screws in the bottom. Alright, now what we're going to have to do is get these little spacers here, put them between the panel and the inner door. Just raise this up right there. And put our screw in here. Do it on the other side. Now the screws are sticking up through here. Take our handle. That's all she wrote. And pull off the protective film. And now we'll go ahead and put this back on the range and everything will be good to go. We can start using that oven to cook some biscuits. Alright, well this door is ready to go back on the stove and we'll go ahead and reinstall it. And it looks brand new again. You know, when you get these little shipping damages, sometimes it's just cosmetic. This was actually the whole front panel, the metal stainless steel panel, which was not a biggie. We just got them to send us another one in warranty. A couple of 4 screws, 2 for the door handle, and that's all it was. You know, just have you a good, soft, clean surface. Something that you don't want to ding up the door, scratch it up or anything. Get you a furniture pad or a blanket, you know, something like that. Set it on there. Go slow. Remember where you took the parts from. That way you can put them back the same way. All right, guys. Now, let's get back to our upgrade unit, which I think now the flooring has been completed. It's pretty messy in there. I went and looked at it a few minutes ago. The flooring guys, you know, they did a good job on putting the new stuff down, but they do make a mess whenever they are in that process. So I'll go in there as soon as they're wrapped up with everything, and we'll get some new pictures, and you can see what the new floor looks like. New carpet in the bedrooms, new plank flooring in the bathrooms. It's really coming along, so stay tuned for that. What's going to be a few minutes for me is actually going to be well, actually, you know, maybe a half a day for me. It's actually going to be just like a second. So we're going to go over there right now, and you stand by. Bam! That wasn't so bad, was it? Nah. All right, well, we're in this upgraded unit, and this is the next edition in the series of This Place Needs an Upgrade. And we did get the flooring in the bathrooms and the bedrooms today, and wanted to kind of get some pictures of that, shoot some video on it, and let you see the differences of what's going on. I think what I'll do is I'll start in that master bathroom, that white ugly vinyl. God, that was terrible. So let's go in there, and I'll let you see what that looks like. Let's turn some lights on in here. There's a lot of work going on in here, and when you do as much work as we're doing, you're bound to make a mess. What do you think? That's the new plank floor. Of course, you can see the new carpet with the new transition strip. That's a brown rubber stripping that we're using on that. So the transition really looks nice. So that's really a good transition there. And of course, there's the new carpet. There you go. This is some really good, high quality carpet. It's stain resistant. We decided to go with some good stuff on these upgrades. So there you go. Of course, we did the other bathroom is the same way. Got the new carpet in here. Same transition at the door into the little hallway. Here's the new plank in this bathroom. There you go. These guys did a really good job on it. Like I said, it's really dirty in here, so it's going to need some work. These cabinet boxes aren't finished on the insides, and we're going to fix that. We're going to go ahead and finish off these cabinets where they are the same color all the way around, along with the uppers. So they got to do a little bit of painting. They're gonna have to paint anyway when they put the crown molding across the top of these cabinets. And I think the next thing that they're gonna do is pull the countertops off, and they'll be able to really get a better coat of paint on here. So they got some touch-ups to do on that bottom stripping in here. That's all got to be painted the same color. Same with that one right there. So there you go, that's part 3. Stay tuned for part 4, and hopefully that'll be the wrap up, and we'll go through and show you a completed unit on part 4. But part 3 is a wrap. We'll see you next time.